Hi, and welcome to week 5. This week we're going to cover 3 different topics. The first is fishery conservation, the second is rangeland management, and the third is forest management. If we want to look at forest management, we first look at the uses that we have for the forest, whether we're logging or extracting resources. We're going to look at forests that are healthy living ecosystems, and if it's not healthy, if we are logging or overlogging and we're stripping the vegetation off of it and the soil is now loose, we're going to look at different techniques such as reseeding of forests that can then go and restore these forests into a healthy and viable place for people to live and enjoy, and also for the rest of the ecosystem to thrive. The second topic that we're going to cover is rangeland, and range is an open area where you have shrubs and grasses, and it's not soil that's generally good enough because it's not fertile enough, or the land is too closed, or the soil is just not right. And we're going to look at what happens on rangelands. We'll see that there are natural biological species that go and graze on them. We're also going to look at the fact that there are domesticated species such as cows that are allowed to graze on rangeland, and we're going to look at the effects on the soil and on the quality of the rangeland from look at overgrazing, undergrazing, and what's called sod busting. The third that we're going to look at this week is fisheries conservation, and there was an example from a book that off the Sea of Japan, tuna had been so overfished that it got to the point where one tuna was caught of a very healthy size and from a very healthy environment, and that tuna sold for $396,000 because they're so scarce. So we're going to look at where we can fish and how we can manage those resources, not so that they grow and they thrive, but also so that they can feed us and we can also have an economic benefit from it. So it's going to be a great week. If you have any questions, email me, and thanks for listening.